Hey everyone, it's Christian Hinton from Tire Review. I'm coming to you from the beautiful country club at Muirfield Village in Dublin, Ohio for the Ohio Tire and Automotive Association's annual golf outing. For the first time in 3 years, this year's outing had a full field with 128 golfers, which included members of OTAA from independent tire shops and dealerships, friends and family of those members, and media like myself. As we prepared to hit the course, I wanted to grab some industry insights from OTAA leadership. Before teeing off, I got the chance to speak with Jeff Wallick, the Director of Training at K&M Tire and immediate past president of OTAA. Jeff gave me some insights on some partnerships OTAA has and the benefits OTAA members can obtain through joining the association.
Yeah, so we've got a number of different partnerships. I think one of the partnerships we're most proud of is with Garage Gurus, which to me is probably the leading training organization in our industry. For our members to be able to send technicians to industry-leading training that we pick up the cost for is one of the biggest benefits, I think, of being a member of the OTAA.
Oh, that's great. The OTAA does multiple training sessions throughout the year that are free to members. In fact, it collaborates with Garage Gurus to do one immediately following the annual golf outing. But free training isn't the only benefit for OTAA members.
There's workers' compensation benefits for being part of the organization, which is one of the big ones. And then there's a suite, so if you're a business owner and you're in the state of Ohio and you join the OTAA, there are a number of things that you would have available through the association that you may not otherwise have available to you on an individual basis.
It was just a perfect day for golf in Dublin, Ohio. I felt lucky to be part of this outing, and I'm sure I wasn't the only one. Outings like this are great for OTAA members, but don't take it from me. Here's John Boyd, the OTAA president, on the benefits of the annual golf outing.
Everybody in the tire industry together, so it gets our tire dealers out of their store, gives them a chance to meet people through manufacturing or in the parts industry, and gives everybody an opportunity to enjoy the fruits of their hard work in the tire industry.
Sure, absolutely. Yeah. Jeff and John also gave us some insight on some OTAA priority legislation they're focusing on right now and in the future.
Yeah, so that's really the reason we exist, and that goes back to the 1960s, is protecting the legislative interests of our members. So the biggest recent progress we've made is on catalytic converter theft, which is plaguing not just Ohioans but all over the country. Looking ahead, we have our eye on right to repair is going to be, we think, something that could fundamentally impact our members in the state of Ohio.
Catalytic converter theft is a real problem. In fact, nearly 28,000 converters were stolen in the U.S. in 2023, according to the National Insurance Crime Bureau. And we all know how right to repair can benefit consumers and independent tire shops alike. John cued me in on some other OTAA priority legislation.
Another piece of legislation was a scrap tire initiative. We had a huge problem in Ohio with people disposing of scrap tires in farmlands and in rivers and creeks and highways. We worked with the Ohio EPA jointly and got a scrap tire legislation moved through to try to combat that issue.
The event isn't just about golf, though. It's an opportunity for OTAA to donate money to the Automotive Aftermarket Charitable Foundation. This year, OTAA donated $2,500 to the AACF.
What they do is they support people in the automotive industry that get hurt on the job. Yeah. And then so if that person isn't getting covered through disability or their expenses outweigh what they can afford, then they go to that foundation and they can chip in money to support those technicians or people on the job that got hurt.
As for my team's performance on the course, let's just say we won't be quitting our day job anytime soon. Despite the beautiful weather and an immaculate course, our golf game decided to take a day off.
Well, we finished 7 over. Not good, not ideal whatsoever. Finished in last place, but it was a fun day today out here at the country club at Muirfield Village. I want to thank OTAA for having us out here, and we'll we'll be back next year. We'll be back with vengeance. We'll be going for second to last next year, not last place. Yeah, it was a fun day today. Very hot out. It's good to be out of the office, but couldn't get it done today. Just an embarrassing loss, I'll tell you what.
We can't thank Jeff, John, and everyone at OTAA enough for inviting us out to the country club at Muirfield Village this year, and we look forward to being involved for years to come. Are you involved with your local or state tire and automotive association? What kind of events and benefits do they offer? To me, being involved in tire industry associations can make a real difference for not just your business, but the tire business as a whole. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you later.